Good evening. If you wanna send things back the way they used to be. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Chinana, chinana. Good evening. From the
Kikisama
love.
ka.
Oh my god.
Binibil
What?
to.
Oh Gab. What happened? Good evening. Hi, Jamie. Good morning to you. Good evening here at the Philippines. Good morning, beautiful and elegant woman. Here again. Here we go again. Thank you for joining, Jamie. How's your morning? Oh, sorry. The only thing that happened is that you are beautiful princess. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. What are you doing now? I'm so happy to be here with you. Thank you, Jamie. I'm happy you joined me here. It to help me, to support me. My day is going to be wonderful because, because of you. Master Bodge or Bob. Hi, Bob. Good morning from Canada. From Canada, good morning, Bob. Thank you for joining. If you wanna sense, I am enjoying your presence and I'm going to work now. Okay. Thank you for joining and take her out to work. God bless you. Have a nice day, Jamie. It is -8 here this morning. Too cold. Too cold in Canada. Die. Snow. Having a snow there in Canada. Having a snow.
Oh, Rally! Freestyle. One take of freestyle.
Your beautiful smile always melts my heart. Thank you, Jamie. Hi, Leptron. Thank you for the thumbs up. Leptron. Hi, Leptron. Boronge Pepet. Do you like the cold weather? I never experienced the snow winter. I want to try.
Isabel.
It looks like beautiful.
Oh, ito. Freestyle.
Looks like beautiful. You wanna see?
Wait!
Ano pala?
Nakatinangan ako dito.
Oh, thank you for the time. Your beautiful smile always melts my heart. Oh, thank you, Jamie.
Masyado pa na ako mag-chihuahua. Bubungkin sila pula.
Well, your wish will be my command. Your wish will be my Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Wait! Di maalam. Two! Oh. Wait!
Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you so much.
Hindi na tayo.
If you wanna see it, it's a Hey Cheryl. Hi Cheryl, good evening. Pwede makita yung nag-basketball sa labas. Bakit?
Nakararani? Ito sila pula.
So pretty. The window is closed. Can't see who basketball outside. Basketball outside. So pretty sure you're going to be sleeping. I'm alright. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Jamie.
Yan na tayo.
Kain tayo. Nag-dinner ka na, Cheryl. Yes. Thank you, Mardoki. Thank you, Mardoki, for inviting me. Salamat. Ano ulam? Ano ulam, Mardoke?
Si Mardok yan, ano?
Mardoke. Ano po ulam?
Pangkapang.
Thank you for the thumbs up, Mardo. I'm not gonna tell you again. Straight from the can. Straight from the can. Straight from the heart. Give it to me straight from the heart. Thank you for the thumbs up. Straight from the can. Sardines. Oh, moderator is here, Zoe. I always am. Thank you, my team. Thank you, my team. Thank you so much. Oh, babe tayo. Nandito si moderator. My moderator here. That's why I need to behave now. Oh my God.
Nice one. Mama. First time ko lang ay victory.
First time mo mag?
Baraman.
I thought only
Mama.
team does not allow us to speak Tagalog.
Mama, hindi. Mama.
Wow, ang galing naman ni
I-invite ko si Kuya Kurt. Si Kuya Kurt yan. Ako yung baby. Ano, ako
Wow.
yung champion. Kuya Kurt, Nana. Nana, nabaga. Lugis ako sila pula po. Ulit. Invite ko ulit yan to. Nana. Ano ba ka? Madi ka. Madi ka na.
Ibang bansa lalo sa Amerika.
Jimmy. Too much water between you and me. Too much water. But it's only one thing that I can do for you. So I want to change your account that way I'm going to be able to do what I want to do. What? I don't understand, Jamie. What do you mean? It helps her with her English. I see. Sorry. Get got time out to see it. I don't know why. One of the mods was mad at me. I don't know. Maybe who's my mod? I don't know who's my mod.
Parang di rin na doon. Ako yung Bicol. No,
It wasn't me. This was
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Ah? Okay.
I think golden. I thought it was tomorrow. Uh, I think it's golden. I don't know. Why? What are you doing? Why
Basta na ko yung
hide?
card.
Why they hide you? What are you doing? Golden retriever.
Ah, mali ka. Baka sa'yo.
My moderator is very strict for my channel. That's why. Sorry, repetition. Maybe they just want a good. I do banana,
Ano din?
not timeout.
Sir, dyan ka mambaga ko yung horse. Waramit ang mga. Namawatakan ako.
Thank you for joining. Thank you, guys.
Tutoy ko kami, guys. Tutoy cho! Chocolate. Nagpadipit ko talaga ako.
How old is Golden again? 49. Golden is 35 years old. He's younger than me. But just move forward. It was only time out. Yeah. Thank you.
Central Atlantic's alagang magkukulang. Mag-ibigay sa kapag masano pa. Bigger! Sarap Pinas pa. Ang mag-go ay nakapsarap.
Hi, my friends. Hi, Dr. Petrovich. What is the topic, Miss Sheryl? The topic for today is... Okay, I make a topic. What is the important for you, Dr. Petrovich? For the relationship. Oh my god, I forgot. Sorry. Maybe you need to make a topic. Because I don't know what to do. Kulay. Nardo, you can speak your language. The second Tuesday of next week. How short are you? 5 flat. My height is a 5 flat. Sorry, I'm not good at it. Me too. I'm not good at it. Me too. I'm not good for that.
Okay. Lo. Ano ba yun ako?
Sino ba yan?
Ano, grang.
Thank you for watching, guys. I'm so sorry, too loud here outside having a basketball. She weighed a little over 90 pounds. Yeah, I weight gain more than 90 pounds now. While you are tiny, yeah, I'm tiny. Yeah. Wait, guys. Wait a minute. Susunod kita.
Iskin sa lisa, day. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's okay. The noise is fine. Thank you. Somebody is playing basketball outside. Yes, Dr. Petrovic.
Okay.
I could hear the shoes speaking. The shoes and the bouncing of the ball. The ball bouncing. So loud. It is a league, not league. They just playing basketball here. How good of a cook are you? I'm not good for cook food. I'm not good. Maybe, but I like cook food for Filipino here. It's funny. Are you? It's funny, guys. Stop when you think I'm not here, but when I jump and they get scared and it's so funny. Hi, good evening, Mama. Hi, anak. Piling po ako, ate. Hello, habi. Akala. Hi. Rosalie Salinas. Hi, Rosalie.
Nakulong ulit sila. Sabi ng katabi ko, kung hindi ka nagkakaroon. Laya mo yun. Nakulong tayo. Kulang naman sa tulong.
40. I'm 40 years old.
Gawin mo pa lang, umanap ka na naman yun. Wala kang isang bantang. Nabayaran. Kabayan.
Ha? In English, please.
Sabi ng
Ikaw, ilang taon ka na? Ate, tiga kita. 39 ko lang. Ha?
Kulang naman sa tulong.
So tell me, do you know how to twerk? Twerk?
Kabayan. Sabi ng
Ah, I know. Just a little.
Sabi ng attorney ko, pag hindi ka hindi magkakalayo.
They said she is a Filipino. Ah, okay. She asking for age.
Kulang naman tayo. Kulang naman sa tundo.
May asawa ka na ba, Ate? No, wala pa. Another good cook, but I am a fabulous eater. Me too. Leprechaun. Now I remember why you were put on timeout because I asked many times to speak English, so it was me. Taga saan ka? Bicol.
Hiring pa. Nabayaan mo
Si
sila.
Jackie.
Makulong ulit sila. Sabi ng attorney ko, pag hindi ka magkakalayo.
Habibi, akala ko need to speak in English here.
Yaya mo, ulit ka. Ako
What did I do with it, Mary?
Ulis. Ako. Maniniwala dyan.
Bicol, yung ex ko, taga Camp Norte. Ah, okay.
Labal mo ito ba naman? Sayang boys. Sabi ng attorney ko,
See, two reasons why I want English here because I don't understand their language. And also, so she can learn English better, that's why. Thank you, my team.
kulang naman sa tundo. Pulis na puro gwapa.
Wala ka ng usapan. Hindi ako maging ama para sa'yo.
Sabi ng attorney ko,
Hindi ko ang pamilya natin.
hindi ka makakalayo.
Jacket, tell him to speak in English. Over here.
Naman sa tundo.
Hi, Jenica. Hi po. Ako po to. Hi, Jenica. Got my tongue. He's disobeying. May boyfriend ka na ba, ate? Yes, I have a boyfriend na.
MVP man ako.
Jenica,
Ikon ko yun,
got my tongue. Hi there.
Dahil sa droga.
Wala.
The best way for you to practice is here in the United States. Just plain take it away.
Ida. Ida niya.
I go there now. As soon as possible. Jamie give up. She's taken. Oh. Oh, I thought Tim saying that just please take it away. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I thought it's just a sing, ano?
Rico.
And your English will be perfect. Your English is pretty good. I don't see anything wrong with your English. Tim is Cheryl's boyfriend. Am I correct? Yeah.
Nilid ko si Tori.
Yes.
Ayan, doon ako mag-shoot. Kailangan na kita. Yung BP.
Sa dalay.
Eee!
Kayamanan natin. Sa kapakirihan ng mga negro. Kailangan ko lang. Kailangan ko lang siyang kausapin. Personal.
Hello, Gerald Servano. Geraldo Servano. Leprechaun, I think it's your Irish with that name. May I ask your real first name? Oh, Alberto.
Mga partida nga niya.
If you wanna turn it to things back away.
Partida naman gano'n.
Wee!
Wait! Sayang is iyan. Sabi ng matrokin ko, bago hindi ka na magkakala. Oh, paglayan ng bulitan. Gaya ng bulitan. Wala mo naman ka.
I prefer hitter.
Sa pulo.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Matakas pa. Hop.
You can call me Peter. My real name is Cheryl Mazon. My father's name is Harry Mazon.
Ah!
Okay. Oh, wow. You can call me Peter. Cheryl, where had Tito been? Tito? Ben? Who's Ben? Who's she? Who's he? I prefer Heather. Jamie, where is life? Always hope, damn girl, you look fabulous and you have a sweetheart. Sige salamat. Gumiling ka No. What is your real name, Jockey? Tim. Have a good night and sweet dreams and enjoy your snack. Thank you, Jamie. The hot jockey 101 told them to speak in English. You're gonna put them in now.
Ito
Time
Layla.
out.
Ito na Layla. Rugi yun sa akin.
Rodriguez, Jair,
Ayan, di
hi.
ba ang tank?
So your name and your profile is Cheryl.
Kaduo pa niya
Yes,
daw.
YouTube change our name. Yeah, I
Sabi
remember
ng-
you, Cheryl Mazan. Seem like him. Team name, Team Harley, and then suddenly YouTube, the appear here her email name. Maybe you need to update your YouTube channel because it's appear na for your email address. Leprechaun is my YouTube name back in 2018. Okay. Not other YouTube have my real name. Mm.
Sasabihan ko si Roberto, singilin na yun.
No, Dave. The mayor will take care of this one.
Go!
How old is Tim again? 43? No, it's not 43. He's 57 years old.
That mama, 6'7".
No, 5'7".
Manda daw, 6'7" years old.
5'7", not 70. No, not 70. 5'7".
Yes, oh, mayor. Did you see that? Easy, ma.
Sorry, it's fine, it's okay. Good age. Hey Cheryl. Hi, hello, hi John. Welcome back, John. Howard, thank you for watching. Well, girl, have a good night and thank you for your time. I have to make money for my future honey. Okay. Thank you, Jamie, for thank you, Jimmy. Hope you find your honey. Thank you so much for joining my live. Looking good as usual. Thank you, John. So I can talk to you even if you are not polite. Yeah, you can comment my videos. I will respond. I know that you want me. Thank you for watching. 32 people, or 32, 10 people. Good. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Are you married, miss? I'm not married. Not yet married. Doc, where from Doc? Petrovic. Maybe, I think he told me before, but I forgot. Ah. Para makainit yung mga mo. Kung makakuha mo. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Gigap.
What are you eating, peanuts? Sunflower seeds. The seeds of sunflower. We're from Dr. Petrovic. We're from the that is delicious. Thank you. Yes, yummy. Are you no? John, no, I'm not. Stop. Who is that? Oh my god. I don't say that. Why you say that, John?
Mangugluto na yun. Turkang. Oh! Ayaw pagpaperde. Paperde ka, bakla ka.
Oh my god.
Gana na kami, Didi. Skin, makatayag.
Because you keep repeating your
Karugi lang
question.
sinwanit lang yun sa hindi sana. Pisilong. Yes, pwede mo yun.
We don't give you guys
Talaga
answer.
sila lang. Oo. Kasi tigre. Nagkapag-is. Patay na. Wait, patapos. Ano din ang kukulong
Time to answer you. You are funny. I love it. I don't like that. Dad, maabok na din na. Mahurig na. You mean sunflower seeds is I do eat sunflower seeds too.
Pagida di kor.
Oh my god.
Diri ako kurboy.
I'm like a bird, I'm only flying away. I'm more than a homeless. I'm like a bird, I'm only flying away. My God!
O, kakampi ko lang, Lord.
Oh God! John, you heal your soul. You need to heal your voice. You need to heal your soul. Keep quiet. Stop it.
Mama,
Gana.
marag ako mga echo.
Wow, victory.
Bo! Among goodness. Mga, ang patay ko, Mama. 33, nakapatay sa 3.
Ano na ito?
Lagot.
It's so fun, Sheryl. No, I don't like that. It's not funny.
Nakipag-1v1 ako. Ano yan? Mama ko.
Sunflower.
Hindi ka talaga ready na kayo.
Prevent dehydration.
Sa Lunes, may eskwela na kami. Ang wala ko, November 5.
November 5. Ay, November 5 ba?
November pa lang. Ano? November. Iya, nay, kuya mo. Ay, suwa. Invite ko mama si Kuya Kurt.
Ha?
Invite ko si Kuya Kurt.
Wag mo na.
Ha?
Para magpahinga naman kayo dyan.
Ay? Okay, pag bumbiwa lang ako. Last na talaga, di na ako man.
I eat sunflower seeds and walnut. Tama na.
Sino dala nag-email? Duro dala pa sancho ko.
Oh my
Chihuahua
God.
lang. Sabi ng gatorne ko, pag hindi ka nagbago, hindi ka magkakalaya. Oh,
Don't
paglaya
you
mo.
like? It's a joke. I don't like
Nakakulong na ay. Kulang naman sa tundo. Kulang sa kurba, puparido. 18 hours na lang. What? Galing na, 24 hours. Ito yung tulabi, yan na siya. Nanggana.
But it's expensive fit.
Hindi ka,
Expensive?
man.
It's an expensive fit. Pet.
Ang gatorne ko, pag nilitan.
We rather take care of Maya bird. It is for feeding. Yeah.
Pura kita kayo, invite lang daw ko.
Peter Lem. Hi, Peter Lem.
Ano daw kauyag ko? Invisible. Lang naman.
Hello, Peter Lem.
Ay, doon ko lang history. Ano pa? Uy, di niya computer. Eh, kaganyan na.
Gabanan mo na, kuya. Gabanan mo mga lunan. Gabanan mo daw tabi mo. Sheryl Ohm, how to catch a bird? I don't know how to catch a bird. The bird is difficult to catch because I don't know how to catch.
Match found.
Few food apparently they eat sunflowers.
Basta tayo'y nagkakasama hanggang dulo. Dahil ibigay lahat. Taman sa mundo.
Well,
Pahin mo doon kaya ang zilong ko. Kung gano'n ito ko na.
ano mo randig mo muna doon mo kap? Randig mo muna.
Yeah. Zilong. Isda. Sakang sa ako. Hindi na ang champion. Magzilaw.
Oh my God.
Mama, may pa ako sa zilong na stamos. Mama, sana maging top global na.
Top global ang aren.
Top global sa ML. Ang top Philippines. PD ka ilaban.
Wow, galing na.
Sara kay Ringali, ilaban na sara King Kong.
King Kong.
Oh,
King Kong.
ang mayadan maglan sila. Ito kaya, 1 hit. Amot go vlog mo. Ay, ano niya.
Dapat siya may talent talaga.
Head and shoulders.
Mama, di Hindi good magbakal skin. So lang, abok ko may magbakal skin. My remote.
Cheap food but expensive pet. Okay. Yeah. Ano gab because para the bird bird is speaking. That's why expensive pet. Like alam ko yung gab. Sarado matabi ano.
Lang.
Okay lang.
Pag mapatay ko yun mo.
Hi cake. No, not cake.
Ako lugi.
That's CK. CK1973. Okay, I'm off to bed to them. Good night.
Rico!
Good night, everyone. Go.
Wala rito ng damage pag nasa turi. Tower hug siya.
It's alright. Bye. We enjoy talking to you. Hope you can join us again.
Tara!
You are funny.
Hey, come on. Iniisang ko. Galing na sa business ko na. Double kill pa good. Triple kill. Legendary.
It's alright.
Ano ka, tigbak? Minsan. Nakailag ako.
I will be back. Okay, thank you for joining here, John. Oh, it's alright. Thank you for joining.
Grabe.
Thank you so much.
Madami ito.
Everything you do, everything that you do, everything you say.
Ay! Nakatakas. Mali!
I'm full. I feel sleepy now.
Yaman, matakas ni Andy Day. Matakas ito. Uy,
I feel sleepy.
sleepy.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Hope join me again next live. Thank you so much. I love you all. Naalala ko yung crush ko sa kinanta mo. Favorite niya yan. Mga balets pa kami.
Mali pa na pindot.
Thank you so
Salat
much.
ka na pindot.
Salamat sa
Dulagon.
thank you for
Binubuo na lang yung pangako.
thank you for joining here again. Bye-bye. Love you all. Love you guys. Love you, Meeting.
Ay, oras na gano'n yung sila nakalaban. Ay, nagkaharado.
Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Bye. See you again next live.